this a TikTok?
No, that's not a TikTok. But do you want to dance?
No.
Okay, so I got a question for you. Growing up in school, did you ever have to take a sack lunch on a field trip?
Absolutely.
Yes. Okay, so when you went on the sack lunch for a field trip and the teacher said you could bring a pop, right? You get to bring a pop on the field trip, but the bag of lunch has to sit on the bus all day long. You don't want to drink it hot, right?
Right.
So I want you to look at what I have here.
Uh-huh.
So, would you or did you wrap it in paper towel,
Nope.
aluminum foil,
Yes.
plastic wrap,
Nope.
wool sock,
Nope.
cotton sock?
No. Nope.
So you're saying you would have wrapped it in aluminum foil so that when you drank it for lunch, it would stay cold.
Absolutely.
Okay, thank you very much. Appreciate it. All right, so here's the situation. We got to build these penguin dwellings, and we may be using one of these materials. Here are the materials. Again, paper towel, aluminum foil, plastic wrap, wool sock, or cotton sock. Now, you heard Mrs. Nickel and Mrs. Brandt say they grew up using aluminum foil wrapped around a can of pop. So we ran a test, because obviously we need to prove them wrong or prove them right. I mean, whatever the data is, what it is. And this is what happened. Took all of these cans of pop and we put them in the refrigerator. We took them out and we wrapped them in whatever product that we're going to wrap them in. We took the initial temperature, let them sit for an hour, and then took the final temperature. Now remember, when we build our penguin dwellings, we want to keep cold things cold. So first I want you to do is I want you to rank from highest to lowest which one you would use, from most effective to least effective. You may have to pause the video to do this, so go ahead and rank them from most effective to least effective. Here's the actual data. The control initial temperature was 64.2 degrees and it went to 67.1 degrees. Go ahead and fill that into your data table on your dock. The paper towel, its initial temperature was 60.4 degrees and after an hour, 63.7. The foil, it started at 61.3 degrees Celsius and went to 64.5. The plastic wrap, 62.1 degrees, and its final temperature was 65.1. The wool sock, 60.4 degrees, and it ended at 63 degrees. And finally, the cotton sock, wrapped in a cotton sock of all things, 63.5 degrees to 66.4 degrees. On your data table, there's a symbol that says delta T. Delta means the difference or the change in. So you need to go calculate the change in temperature for each one of those. And just like when we were testing the 4 materials last week, we need to understand which one of those did the best job of keeping cold things cold. Okay, then answer those questions, and we will see you tomorrow.